G'day! In today's video, I'm doing a simple unboxing of the PowerColor HellHound RX7900XTX. This one's got 24 gig of VRAM, which is a very healthy amount of RAM to have these days. I'm surprised NVIDIA haven't actually upped theirs with the 4000 series, which means textures and whatnot down the line will prove to be a bit better with the Radeon graphics cards. Pretty hefty box. Pretty big box. What have we got here? We have some props. I can already tell what these are going to be for. Going to be holding up this beast of a card. So these here would be various stands. I'm assuming that threads into here. And these lean on the graphics card to hold it up. So that's reasonably useful. A little bit of weight to this, so it's probably not designed to roll around too much. Non-slip material on the bottom there, rubber material. Look at these arms, I'm not sure where they work in. Whether or not they screw onto the pole and tighten up. Actually, that makes a bit of sense. Let's have a look in the rest of the box and see what we see. We have some foam coated with foam. Move this out of the way. You feel something in the back here. Start out by taking out this monster of a card. I'll just put the camera down for a second. Okay, we are a monster. Turns out it was just the card. We have a look down here. Nothing else more in the box? Nope, no adapters. No, nothing else more. So what we've already got existing in this case over here is a Gigabyte 3080 Vision OC. As we can see, it's already a reasonably large card. I do believe that the HellHound is already dwarfing in size. Take this out. A fair bit more cooler on there. This is just going to fit. Curious to see if the triple slot nature of it, if that's actually going to, or triple? Yes, we are triple. The existing one is basically triple, but not wanting to show it. You can see here, here. We finish here, but in reality, it should be a triple slot. Where this one actually embraces that and has gone with it. It's a rather impressive card. Looking at it over here, what have we got? We have an LED switch, two 8-pins, BIOS, OC and silent. Sticker, bracket, imagery. Looking around the other side of it, it almost looks like here could be used to bolt, or you could actually bolt it to the edge of a case almost. Similar to what some OEM companies do. If you had the right kind of nut or thread, bolt to be able to bolt it to a pole, a bracket, keep it upright from there, rather than using the factory included one. Go around the other side. Display, HDMI. All reasonably standard. Flip it over. We have one fairly impressive cooler. Can't get over the amount of metal that's along here. Righto, let's bust out the measuring tape and check out some sizes. I'll measure from here across to the front. I'm getting around, where are we getting? My very poorly 335mm on the very back, very front of the PCI card, so that's absolutely maximum. Another sandwich here, where you get around 60 centimeters, or 60mm, my mistake. 1, 2. So one very, very chunky card. Very impressive. Now I'm going to get that into the case up here. Get my fingertip in there. Quite. There we go. Release him. 3080 vision. Set it down here. It's actually very close. I'd almost say that the vision is a fraction longer. Not by much. Fans is definitely a tad smaller on here compared to the HellHound. This middle fan I'd say is more likened to these, where these two ones here look to be much larger. Looking down at height, there's really not that much more to it. So a bit deceiving. We put the HellHound in. As you can see, we have a ITX board in here. Personally, it wouldn't have been probably my choice to put one of those in. And I can see that we already have a bracket down here. I don't know how well that's going to help in this one. The bracket will need to be moved down just slightly. There we go. We are now in. Bracket down here is sitting. There's a lot of weight on that card. Typically I would recommend laying the computer case down while installing the GPU. That there. Now, as I was saying about this bracket down here, you can kind of see it just under that fan, right here. So it is picking up some of the slack. Granted, one of those stands would do a much better job, but there is something there already holding it up. Next up, a matter of putting in the two 8-pins. Now, for power's sake, try and do one per cable. Beautiful. Let's turn this on and see what the fans do. Looking fairly impressive. We have the HellHound icon lighting up. We have the fans down here lighting up. Currently they're not spinning. But definitely a cool blue. Doesn't quite match the rest of the system. It definitely looks very nice. Now around the back here. See the light emitting out the back. Now if I go LED switch, You have now turned purple. Off. Blue. I'm going to assume that ramps up, changes colours depending on the temperature. Overall, a very impressive, very high-end card. Beautiful. Anyway, that will do for today, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.